Ito na nga guys, maghihintay tayo kasi my driver is picking me up 7 in the morning and dito ako nag-stay that one Best Western Plus. Punta tayo ng Denny's. So ito na nga guys yung breakfast natin. I have 2 pancakes here. Okay, so this one. Dito din ako kumain kahapon eh. So guys, ito nga yung sasakyan namin.
A few moments later.
Nandito na naman tayo sa airport. We just have to follow the numbers. It's there.
Except for airline passengers and persons meeting, accompanying, or assisting them.
Very shortly. Thanks for flying United.
We just landed at the west coast of Canada, Vancouver. Welcome to Vancouver. And I have a connecting flight. I will be going to Calgary, Canada. So guys, nagmamadali kami kasi we still have 13 minutes. Ito yung mahirap sa connecting flight eh. Oh my God, ang bilis naman. Late ba tayo? Oh my God. Galing ka na dito dati? Oh my God. So ito na nga guys. Buti umabot kami. Kalalagpas lang natin ang immigration inspection. And we are catching our flight to gate C44. Sayang, hindi mo lang tayo makapag-picture. Very developed talaga. Nag-start na?
Hindi pa, malapit na.
Ah, wala pa.
Mga 14:21.
Oh my God. Guys, we are just landed here in Calgary Airport.
You're vlogging?
Trying. Thank you. Welcome to Calgary. So we just have to get our luggages. So naglalakad tayo. Kunin namin ang luggage namin and we are gonna wait for our driver. Tomorrow will be the start of our tour. So, we just have to be ready. Kasi nakakapagod itong biyahe na to. We've been traveling for 3 days and we're doing this one just for the memories. Guys, ito na nga yung sundo namin. Papuntang hotel.
In your way, cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here.
2,000 years later.
So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it.
For this video, I'll giving you a tour of my room. So, ito na. As you enter, makikita natin, this is the kitchen. Merong refrigerator dito. Wala namang laman. I'll be staying here for 1 day. May microwave dito. Coffee maker. May gas stove dito. May sink dito. And, oh my God, may table dito. Television. Oh my God. Ako lang mag-isa dito pero ang laki ng space. We have also a balcony here with a view of the street. My God. Ang ganda, guys. I can't believe it. This is the sala, the functional room or functional living room, and we also have a console table here or a study space. Then this is the bathroom, and this is the mirror, our vanity mirror with the sink. Then, ayan, lakas ng pressure ng water. Then, another bed. Another room. And I'll be choosing this room kasi ito yung pinakamalaki. And with a view of the city. Guys, ito nga. Nasa city tayo, oh. So, ayan. Oh my God, may dairy cream dito. So, we have plans to go out later. For the meantime, magpapahinga tayo. And this is my cabinet. Ayan. Ilagayin tayo ng mga gamit dito, guys. Try natin.